What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. If you guys missed my very last video, definitely go back and watch it because I showed new items for Halloween, some new hats, scarves, and tees, but I found even more new Halloween items, and I think we're gonna start right here with this brand new display from Wet n Wild. This is the Fantasy Makers collection. We have pretty lashes, we have stencils, we have face jewels, mascaras, we have some palettes, we have paint pots, and even some lip colors and highlighters. My store is currently out of the highlighters. And then we have a brand new Halloween display by the brand Pretty Woman, and we have some super pretty Halloween inspired nails, $5 each. We get 24 nails in a pack. And it comes with the glue. Oh my gosh, this one is my favorite so far. It is so pretty with the butterflies. It looks like a lot of these have sold out already. So if you guys want to see the full collection, head to Five Below's website or head into your local store. These are super pretty and they're really sturdy too. I have several of them at home. Okay, you guys, on to the loungewear. We have $5 loungewear, the matching bottoms and tops. They're calling it spooky loungewear, and I'm seeing up to extra large. We have super cute pet costumes for $5 as well. This is a cute little $5 pet hut. I have a pumpkin one at home from like 2 years ago. And I'm gonna tell you already, if you have more than one cat, they are gonna be fighting over this. Unless they're super close, then maybe they'll share, but they are gonna be territorial because this is just such a cozy little like house for them, or this is what they're gonna do. And they're gonna turn it into a bed. That's what my cats did with theirs. After laying in it for a while, they did this and they turned it into a cat bed. So cute. Anyways, we have cute pup noodles with little eggy ears. We have all sorts of cute little costumes. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Look at this one. Starbarks. Starbarks. We have the cute pet and owner sock combos. We have the cute collars and bandanas. Aw, we have the pet sweaters. This really makes me miss our dog Tux, our little Boston Terrier that we had for 13 years, because Tux used to love wearing clothes, specifically sweaters. You guys, look at this one, Lil Pumpkin Pie. If Tux was still here, I would probably buy this one for him just because he was black and white. And I think that would have looked cute on him, but I would have really been tempted to buy this one for him because he was just such a cute little boy. I miss Tux. We all miss our little Tux. And I haven't been here for like a week or two, but they have tons of backpacks. If you're still in need of a backpack, they're all just $5 each. $5 backpacks. The brand is Metro Pack. Okay, you guys, we're gonna take a look at the candy too. It looks like they moved their candy aisle around just a little bit. All of these items used to be over here. Now we pretty much have all of the theater candy over here and the box candies and like the Starburst, the Skittles, the High Chew, because a lot of this candy over here sells out super fast. It's like a lot of the trendy candy that they often can't keep in stock because it just sells out so quickly, like the jumbo Krabby Patties. I don't think I've seen any slime lickers for months. The spray candy, the super sours, the soda cans, the toxic waste. What are these? Gummy rolls. the magic potions. No, those aren't the slime liquors. I thought maybe they were sort of a slime liquor, but they're not. The smog balls, all the juicy drops, the big bar airheads. We have like golden coins and choco rocks and pop rocks and all like the gummy noodles and everything over here, the gummy tacos. We have super huge Krabby Patty sliders, 3 to a pack, 9.52 ounces. This has also changed. This was the 4 for $1 bin, and now we just have the 10 for $1, and then we have $1.50 to $5 snacks here. So that's changed as well. And then we have a whole end cap of fidgets. This one is brand new since I've been here last. This one's over here on the floor. Let's pick it up. There's just so many fidgets here. Glitter robots, glow robots, glitter spacemen, glow cars, camo cars, tie-dye rockets. Let's go down to this end cap as well. We have the Pop-It spinners. We have the pop tubes for $3.25. Ooh, I like these. The snap links for $3.25. These are $3.25. The virtual pets for $5. And then of course our kinetic sands. And this is brand new this week. We have our box of sensory toys. These are $5. We get six in a pack. And then they also put some new squishies here. And we have a whole nother end cap of fidget toys as well. We have the crazy bungee bands. These are $5 by the brand Graphics. We have the brand new Takumo Smushums. These are brand new. We have the Orb Oddity slime balls for $2.25. The super cute pea poppers. We have $1.50 crystal clear slimes for $4. We have the Pom Pom squishy buckets. We have the $3.25 sweet treat slimes, ice cream lollipops and lemons. Super cute. These are all little mix-em charms. We have mango scented bubble ball buckets of slime with the Orby balls. These are $5 each. For $3.25, we have the reversible octopus fidgets. I love these. These are so cute. I love these colors right here so much. These are also brand new. We have the squishy cube slimes. I love how that looks. We also have the mermaid metallic mix-ins. Glittery on the bottom. These are cute. Find slime and critter inside. These are the Goo Goo Galaxy Goo Critters. And then down below here, we have a ton of the Nickelodeon slimes. And if you guys haven't tried these, I'm telling you already, you're gonna love these so much. These smell so amazing, so amazing. Birdy got some of these a couple years ago, but they've since added new varieties. We have blueberry, we have kiwi, very berry cheesecake. I love those colors. We have mint chocolate chip. What else? We have galactic gooey fun. I think I showed that one already. Ooh, look at these. By the brand Compound Kings. These are $5. Super stretchy avalanche. Ooh, look you guys. We have different colors. We also have pink. Now, if you guys have been looking at these and wondering if they're good or not, this is like the most satisfying thing and or fidget that I have touched in months. These are amazing. You get 1¼ pounds of moldable, stretchable cotton candy, slimy sand. You guys, this stuff is magical. It is so satisfying. I can't say enough good things about this. I bought the pink and the purple box, and I just opened the pink one, and it was amazing to play with. It's, you guys, there is not enough words to explain how good that is, and I'm not over exaggerating. Like, it is so, so good. You're gonna wanna get that. And then over here, these are brand new as well, the Sparkle Play Foams. These are $5 each. And we also have pastels. These are glow in the dark though. I love the colors. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna stop this video right here, but I'm gonna share even more in the next one. So definitely come back to the very next Five Below video. We have a lot of new items to look at. It's been a couple weeks since I've been in here, and I am so, so excited to just discover all of these new items and share them with you guys. So definitely come back to my next video. But all right, you guys, thank you so, so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.